After yesterday's typhoon in Hong Kong, I thought I would go to Hong Kong's newest beach. Guess where I am? No, not Big Wave Bay. No, not Stanley Beach. We have a new beach, Quarry Bay. After 2 typhoons, let's see the damage that was done to my garden. A bit dizzy from doing that. And you actually saw some clips from before where the street was literally coming apart with the intensity of the rain. But how did the plants do? As usual, my tomato game is weak. They've had it. They got crucified. This isn't really doing anything. I might get rid of that. Strawberries, honestly, if you want to grow something very easily, grow strawberries. Look at them. They just blossom. Come rain, typhoon, probably snow. In fact, they germinate in cold climates. So I think these have been the accidental heroes of my garden. Let's pull that out. Put that over there. As you can see, it's gone all wild. So this tray is effectively done. I'm going to replant as much as I can into this trough so I can fit it in my bedroom, because as I said, my neighbours are leaving. Lemon tree is fine. The kiwi, it's just glorious. I don't know what that is. I can't see any pests on the leaves. Maybe they're just getting old. I'm not sure, but that's the state of them. This taro plant, I almost let it die by accident in the beginning, but it's doing great. So, as I say every month, it's doing great. It's great, just great, and it's true. Think of it as Squid Game. They eliminate themselves, okay, and the winner gets my bedroom. This is wild. I'm going to be dismantling this, and maybe put some strawberries here, and then hang them outside my bedroom. And I'm also donating some of these to my friends as well. But I will really make an effort to try and separate these all out again, tidy it up, and see how many strawberries we've got for the coming winter, since it's autumn here now. But I do need to separate them. You can see like the vine connecting them is dead. Oh, look at that. It's growing inside here. Okay. See, look at the roots on that. But it's not allowed to grow in there. So we're going to have to unearth that, and then I'll put it in there after this video. Okay, that's the checkup for this month. Today is the day where I have to move all of this into my apartment. It looks so barren now, doesn't it? I've basically finished for today. I've got to wait for the people who are removing the scaffolding. Finally, the scaffolding is going, and when they do, it'll actually free up some of the space that I have by the other window, which I'll show you. But for now, I've got my strawberries on top. Sandwiched next to my clothes is this battery, and the battery is connected to some solar panels. Again, all temporary, but from here, I can activate the, hey, look at that. Just by my desk are the strawberries and the other lemon, and we've got my normal house plants here. Outside, we've got some strawberries here. Down at the bottom, underneath, if you can't make it out, is the lemon, kiwi, the rubber plant, and the blueberry. There we go, the blueberry with the strawberries. This is what my kitchen window looks like. We've got the taro sitting here temporarily, and as you can see, this is the reason why I can't finish this job. It's because of the scaffolding coming across. But when this is gone, the big orange one that you saw in my bedroom, that will go, and it will go along the air conditioner here. Otherwise, that's it for this video blog on this day, which is, what is day? I don't even know what day it is, the 27th. So hopefully we can get an update as to the scaffolding over the next couple of days, and then we can actually finish all this and get the indoor garden set up. My neighbour's gone, the plants have gone, just being used by the workmen. My love affair with this roof is finished. I could try and speak to one of the other neighbours, see if I can borrow their space. Doesn't look like he uses his. Maybe in a later part, I could speak to one of the other neighbours and borrow their garden space. Who knows? Okay, there we are. That pretty much rounds out the month and this last episode for the whole entire gardening series. I don't think I can do anything else other than just wait for spring to arrive. Maybe another video then. Otherwise, I'm just not replanting anything. There's no need anymore. I'm just going to water everything. So we're going to end the gardening series. If I find a neighbour that will allow me to use their garden, then that will change. And then I can obviously expand on the garden as well. And I always feel like saying to them, if you let me use your space, then you'll get dibs on whatever I make, because I'm nice like that. So there's that opportunity for them. As you can see, I've got 2 sets of grow lights so that I can look after the plants on the not so sunny days, because obviously the sun can't go all the way, even into this room, even though I've got big, beautiful windows, sun doesn't come in. And if it does, it's only for like 90 minutes or something. Trust me, I calculated it because I've got the solar panels now outside as well. So that wraps up this little series of videos. If there's more to make, I will. Thank you for watching.